Mat 3. Sino kayang nanalo, ladies and gentlemen? Winner! Gold medal goes to Vico Aquino from DEFTA. Silver medal goes to Mike Lim from CMMA. Proceed to Mat 3. Bernard Ayade, Putwan Unigine versus Jolo Otara, Senoas MMA. Proceed to Mat 3. Our official referee on Mat 1, Dr. Vincent Vicente. On Mat 2, Mr. Dante Cahilo. And on Mat 3, Shihan Mar Senoas. Ito, labanan ng mga matatangkad to. Twin Towers po, ladies and gentlemen.
Hindi yung masino na matika, si Jolo ata.
Many people to us for those pride of the President Jesus Christ, the God that comes to earth to establish his kingdom across the earth. And they may enjoy the ultimate pleasure of worship of the good and holy God. When they proceed to dwell at the triumph of the capital city of heaven, and he will wipe away every tear from our eyes, and death shall be no more. Neither shall there be any mourning, no crying, no pain.
There will be a Pan Asian PJJ International and Nogi competition to be held at the SM Mall of Asia. It's going to be on May 12 to 13, 2012. You can visit our website, www.pjjfa.com. We have t-shirts and a logo for sale. Brazilian t-shirt, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu t-shirts and logo for sale. Those who are interested to purchase, please proceed to the official stable.
Wala, jagtap. Ito.